Well, it's been a couple weeks since the start of tax filing opened for individuals and businesses, and federal authorities say more than 30 million small businesses are filing taxes. Our friend Paul Hood is here to answer some common questions for business owners. Paul, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
There's a lot more businesses than people think. I mean, there's, you could have one employee and you're a small business as well. So if there are any small business owners out there that are watching, what are some of the things that are tax deductible if you own a business?
Well, so the Internal Revenue Code has certain things in there that are very specific that you can claim. But there's other generic things as well. And what the Internal Revenue Service says is it ordinary and necessary to create a profit in your business. What I try to tell people is think of the IRS as your business partner that doesn't really do much, doesn't show up to work most of the time, but that all we have to do is convince that business partner, hey, this is going to help us turn a profit. So anything that remotely relates to the production of that income, we can take.
Okay. Say that I own a business and I lost money last year, so I'm in the red. Are there any sort of tax breaks for me as a business owner because I lost money last year?
Yeah, so it depends on how the entity, the business is structured. If it's what's called a C Corp, it kind of stands alone. Everything else pretty much flows down to the owners. And you can have a loss. A large portion, very large portion of the Internal Revenue Code is for business owners, and it's to encourage entrepreneurship and to encourage risk-taking. So it's expected to have a loss for a while. Now, what you have to have is you have to potentially, if you have a loss for so many years, the IRS could come in and say, is this a hobby, or show us that there's a profit intent.
Right.
So there's nothing wrong with having a loss, but yeah, that loss on your business can offset other income.
I assuming stuff you use for your business can be written off as well. Is that accurate?
Yeah. If it helps you create profit revenue, you can tax deduct it.
And talk to a tax professional like yourself, because I'm sure you
Bring them
have
on.
a whole list of them.
Bring them on.
All right, Paul, thanks so much.
Appreciate you.